Have you ever contemplated the idea of starting a licensed group home for veterans in Michigan? Welcome to an exciting journey that combines entrepreneurship with a noble cause. In the beautiful state of Michigan, there is a growing need for group homes dedicated to serving our esteemed veterans. The benefits of undertaking such a venture are manifold. Not only does it present an opportunity for steady income, but it also offers a chance to give back to those who have served our nation with honor and courage. Michigan, with its rich history and vibrant communities, is an ideal location for these homes. And guess what? The process of setting up a licensed group home here is not as daunting as you might think. With the right guidance, you can navigate the requirements and set up a thriving haven for veterans in need. So, are you ready to embark on this rewarding journey? Stay tuned as we guide you through the step-by-step process of starting your own licensed group home in Michigan. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to understand what a group home is and why it's beneficial, especially for veterans. A group home is a private residence model of medical care for those who cannot live independently due to physical, emotional, or mental health challenges. These homes typically host a small group of residents, fostering an intimate and supportive environment. It's about providing a safe haven where residents can live with dignity, enjoy shared experiences, and receive the care they need. Now, why are these homes particularly beneficial for veterans? Well, the transition from military to civilian life can be challenging. Our veterans often grapple with issues such as post-traumatic stress disorder, physical injuries, or adjusting to a completely different lifestyle. Group homes provide a community that understands these unique challenges. Here, veterans can find comradeship among those who've walked similar paths, fostering mutual understanding and support. Furthermore, group homes offer a structured environment that mirrors the discipline and routine veterans were accustomed to in the military. They also provide necessary assistance, whether it's help with daily tasks, medical care, or mental health support. But why are we focusing on Michigan? The need for veterans group homes in Michigan is on the rise. The state is home to more than 600,000 veterans, many of whom are in need of specialized housing and care. By starting a group home for veterans here, you're not only creating a business, but also providing a much-needed service to those who've served our country. Group homes aren't just about a roof over the head, they're about community, support, and a sense of belonging. They're about helping our veterans navigate the path to a comfortable civilian life with the care and respect they've earned. Now that you understand the significance of group homes, let's discuss how to start one. Starting a group home in Michigan requires a license, but how do you go about obtaining one? Well, let's dive into the details. First things first, you'll need to apply to the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA. This is the Michigan state body responsible for issuing licenses for group homes. You'll need to fill out an application form, which you can find on the LARA's official website. The application process is thorough and requires a good deal of documentation. You'll need to provide a detailed business plan outlining your intended operations, your proposed staffing plan, and your contingency plans. You'll also need to provide proof of financial stability, which might include bank statements or a business loan approval. In addition to this, you'll need to submit floor plans of your proposed group home. These must comply with health and safety regulations, and you may need to involve an architect or a builder to ensure they meet the necessary criteria. There are also several Michigan-specific requirements to be aware of. For instance, you'll need to demonstrate that your group home will be able to provide for the specific needs of veterans. This could involve providing evidence of specialized staff training, or detailing your plans for mental health support. The process also requires a criminal background check for all proprietors and staff, as well as a fire safety inspection of the proposed location. Furthermore, you'll need to show proof of a business liability insurance policy, which will protect you and your residents in the event of any unforeseen incidents. Keep in mind that this process takes time. It's a good idea to start preparing your application well in advance of when you hope to open your group home. And remember, patience is key. The licensing process can be lengthy, but it's all in the name of ensuring the highest standards of care for our veterans. Once you've obtained your license, what's next? Let's find out. Finding the perfect location and setting up the home are crucial steps in this process. It's like setting the stage for a grand play. The location of your group home plays a significant role in its success. So, how do you find a suitable location? First, consider the accessibility. The home needs to be easily reachable for family members, healthcare providers, and emergency services. It's also essential to choose a location that offers a peaceful environment, conducive to healing and relaxation. Think about proximity to necessary amenities. Nearby grocery stores, pharmacies, parks, and recreational facilities can significantly enhance the quality of life for the residents. It's also a good idea to check the local zoning laws to ensure that a group home can operate in your chosen location. Now let's talk about setting up the home. This step is all about creating a comfortable and safe living environment for our veterans. Think about the special needs that veterans might have. Some might require wheelchair accessibility, while others might need support with daily activities. The home should be well equipped with necessary modifications like ramps, handrails, and wide doorways. The bathroom and kitchen should be designed with safety and accessibility in mind. It's not just about physical comfort, though. A warm, welcoming environment can go a long way in making the residents feel at home. And remember, it's not just about setting up the house, it's about making it a home. A place where our veterans can feel valued, respected, and cared for. So, don't forget to add personal touches. Decorate the living spaces with warm colors, comfortable furniture, and inspiring artwork. Finally, ensure that there are enough bedrooms and common spaces to accommodate the residents comfortably. You might also want to set up a quiet room where residents can relax and unwind. With your location set and your home ready, it's time to think about the rates and funding. After all, running a group home is not just about providing care, but also about ensuring its financial sustainability. So let's dive into that in our next segment. Your group home is a business, and just like any other business, it needs a sustainable financial plan. Let's delve into the financial aspect of running a group home for veterans in Michigan. The rates for group homes can vary greatly depending on the level of care provided, the location, and the services offered. On average, you can expect to charge anywhere from $2,000 to $6,000 per month, per resident. This price range caters for the basic necessities like accommodation, meals, and utilities, as well as specialized care and support services that veterans may require. While setting your rates, it's crucial to consider the financial capacity of your potential residents. Many veterans are on fixed incomes, so affordability is a key factor. However, balance is needed to ensure that your group home remains financially viable and sustainable. Now let's talk about funding. Starting a group home requires significant initial investment, but thankfully, there are several avenues to secure funding. One of these is through the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. They offer various grants and programs aimed at supporting housing initiatives for veterans. For instance, the Grant and Per Diem program provides funds to community agencies providing transitional housing and supportive services for homeless veterans. Another potential funding source is the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. They offer financial assistance to group homes serving vulnerable populations, including veterans. It's also worth exploring private funding options. Many foundations and organizations offer grants for initiatives that support veterans. Plus, don't underestimate the power of community fundraising. Michigan residents are known for their strong community spirit and willingness to support worthwhile causes. Remember, the aim here isn't just to make a profit. Your group home should be a haven where veterans can find the care, support, and community they need. It's about making a positive impact and contributing to a cause that's bigger than ourselves. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to open your doors and start making a difference. Starting a licensed group home for veterans in Michigan can be a rewarding endeavor. We've walked through the key steps together, understanding the concept, meeting licensing requirements, finding the perfect location, and finally, setting up the home. We've also discussed the rates and funding options available for veterans in Michigan. Each step is crucial, and each one brings you closer to making a real difference in the lives of our heroes. Taking the first step might seem intimidating, but remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a wealth of resources and support available to you. All it takes is a little courage and commitment to create a home that provides comfort, care, and community for our veterans. Remember, there is a link in the description if you would like a consultation. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and we will try to answer them in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button. Thanks for watching.